Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to convert a low quality picture to high quality in Photoshop. First, we go to image menu, then click on the image size. Here we see 72 dpi and we make 300 dpi. When we change dpi, then automatic change white and height. Then OK. Go to the filter menu, then click on the noise to reduce noise. If you wanna check DPI, again go to image menu, then click on the image size. Here we make high quality pictures. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget like, comment and subscribe.